Anita, where are we heading today?
Scotland!
And I got my Ozone Park friend driving us. Say what up, Anna?
What's up?
We bought our tickets on Virgin Atlantic, redeeming miles and points. I think we redeemed about 35,000 points each and wound up paying about $30 in taxes. We did fly coach. We wanted to keep this economical. Virgin Atlantic didn't disappoint. It was a great trip. Let us know in the comments if you've booked trips using miles and points and what kind of great deals you've had flying wherever you love to fly.
Now is 7:47 exactly. Weather on the ground in London, it's been a bit foggy, but it is beginning to clear, so it's looking to be a very pleasant day. Temperatures 11 degrees Celsius. After landing into London, we'll get you a quick fix you understand, get you on your way. On myself and the captain, thank you so much for choosing to fly with Virgin Atlantic today. I look forward to seeing you on board another Virgin Atlantic flight in the not too distant future. Thank you and good morning.
Hey, we just landed in London Heathrow. We were on Virgin Atlantic, Miami to London, and now we're gonna go grab the tube to take it down to King's Cross, where we're gonna be boarding the LNER to where? Edinburgh. So follow us along and we'll show you what we do to take the tube and go all the way to King's Cross and then board. Oh, by the way, we bought first class tickets on the LNER. Yay! See you on the train. As we come out of baggage, we head to the signs that show the underground.
Taking the tube from London Heathrow to King's Cross takes about an hour and a half and costs between £3 to £6, depending on when.
And we're heading to Terminal 2 to go grab the Piccadilly line to go down to King's Cross, where we're gonna hop on the LNER, 4.5 hour train ride from London to Edinburgh. Riding. Not an elevator, it's called a lift.
We're in the tube heading to King's Cross. And the sun is shining. Look how pretty it is outside. Yay!
I think jet lag is hitting Anita right now. Pretty easy. Piccadilly line all the way from Heathrow down to King's Cross. Took about an hour. And now we're gonna go find the King's Cross train station.
This is a security announcement. Customers are requested to keep their possessions with them at all times. When leaving this station.
Let us know in the comments if you travel through King's Cross Station.
We are heading to our second train of the day.
And why are you leaning forward like that?
Because it's steep.
King's Cross Station was opened in 1852 by the Great Northern Railway. In the late 20th century, the area around the station became known for its kind of seedy and kind of down-market character. It was used as a backdrop for several films, and one of those films you probably have seen, and it's the Harry Potter series.
For Harry Potter fans, King's Cross is where Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry students catch the Hogwarts Express. You can find platform 9 3/4 on the wall in the station concourse.
Across from King's Cross Station, you'll find St. Pancras International. It's the London terminus for Eurostar services that go to Europe. Beautiful station.
I love hanging out in train stations. It's so fun to people watch. And we are at King's Cross train station, getting ready to board our train to Edinburgh. And as you can see, it is a beautiful, beautiful day. We had a little toasty sandwich for breakfast, and now we're ready for our first class train ride.
All right, I don't know if you can see behind me, but there's a bunch of people standing in front of that train platform sign. Everyone is waiting for their train to be announced, and it's usually announced about 20 or so minutes before the platform is ready. Our train leaves at 12:30. It is now 12:05. They still have not announced the platform, but as you can see, There's a lot of people there waiting. So an announcement was just made that on the LNER, the doors close 2 minutes before departure. It is now 12:14. Our train is due to depart at 12:30, and the board has not yet announced what platform we're on. There's 2 sets of platforms. There's platforms 0 through 8 and platform 9 and 10, which is way on the other side. So keep an eye on that board. As soon as your platform is announced, head for the train, because they close the doors 2 minutes before departure. It's now 12:20. Train leaves 12:30. Says it's on time, but no platform has been announced, and there's still lots of people here waiting for their trains. Let us know in the comments if that's common here in King's Cross. Mad rush.
Edinburgh, LNER service to Edinburgh.
Thanks. Heading to platform 5. Do we have room?
Yeah, no, this room. Oh, okay. Right there. This is
It's a little bit of space down there.
Thank you. Where are we? Well, we made it onto the LNER, and it was a mad dash from the moment that the platform was announced. I think we left in about 7 minutes. Talk about efficiency. And we're off. 4.5 hours, we'll be in Edinburgh.
Here's a quick view of the loo on the LNER. It's rather large. Look at the beautiful English countryside, and how about those cute little black and white sheep? If you know the name of that building or that castle, please let us know in the comments, because I think that is so super cool looking.
We will call at Newcastle and Edinburgh Waverley.
Let us know in the comments if this is the River Tyne.
London Northeastern Railway, LNER, from London to Edinburgh, first class tickets cost £194. First class includes complimentary food and drinks and also access to the first class lounge in the train station. The seats were large and comfortable. We were seated on the right, so we had great views of the Northern Sea. Our first class seats included the complimentary food and drinks served throughout the trip. The attendant came through very frequently and offered us the drinks and food. I tried the Warburton crumpets, which were buttery deliciousness. The menu shows that many of the drink and food options were sourced locally. The Beckleberry Lemon Elderberry Pot, which is sweet and yummy pudding, comes from Newcastle. I really like trying the local food.
Here the train speeds past the home of FC Arsenal from the Premier League. for all you football fans. Are you a football fan and have you visited Emirates Stadium? Let us know in the comments.
We decided to take the train instead of flying to Edinburgh because we really enjoyed train travel and that we get to see the beautiful English countryside and this beautiful English cottage. That's why we sat on the right side, so we could get the gorgeous views of the Northern Sea as we approach Edinburgh. Put in the comments, would you have flown or taken the train?
Let us know in the comments if you've been to Edinburgh, Scotland. Tell us what your favorite things to do in Edinburgh. As we pull into Edinburgh Station, here's a preview of day one in Edinburgh, Scotland.